Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. Today I'm back with another video where I'm going to show you how to view satellite view on Google Maps. If you'd like to enable the satellite view on Google Maps so that you can be more specific about where you'd want to go and explore, so keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by going to your Google Maps application from your app drawer and tap it on. Once you end up in the Explore page of your Google Maps, tap open this menu at the top right and you'll be able to see two options displayed where it says Map Type and Map Details. If you'd like to view the satellite mode on Google Maps, then simply select Satellite option under Map Type and you can see the map with the satellite view. You can simply zoom in order to see the view more in details. You can also select to default terrain under the map type category. That is how you can easily change the view mode on Google Maps. You can also turn on the settings by tapping on your profile icon at the top right corner from your Explore page and tap on Settings from the expanded menu. Now from the Settings menu, tap on this button right here at the bottom, right next to Start Maps in Satellite View. As soon as you do that, Google Maps will now be in satellite view when you open the app in the future. That is how you can easily view satellite mode on Google Maps. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.